This video, we will see the date functions in MX Excel, how we'll use in a real time. If you are new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share this video. Here we have functions. I want to get the result of how will functions will be used to get the date and date with the time and today's date. Let's see how to do. Just type equals to. I want to get the date with as well as with the time. Just type equals to now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. Here we can see here the date and time it will fetch when we use as a now function. I want to get only the date, the today's date. Let's see equals to today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. Here we can observe in between these two, there is a time is included when we use as a now function, but when we use a today's function, we'll get only the date, that is today current date. I want to fetch the date from the date. Let's see, equals to date, open parenthesis, select the date, close parenthesis, enter. Now here we can see that 12 is the date is extracted from the state. I want to fetch the date month that from the current month. Let's see, equals to month, close, select the date, close parenthesis, enter. Now for year also is same, equals to year, close, select the date, close parenthesis, enter. By using these three, I want to get the date. Let's see how to get equals to date. I want to select the year, that is 2025, comma, month, that is 2. Just select this cell, comma, month, select this cell, close parenthesis, enter. Here if you can see, we got the date by using the date function. By this date, month and year. By clubbing these three, we can get the date by using a date function. Here we can see some more the advanced function, that is, here we have a date. I want to add the 8 days by using a date. Let's see, this type equals to, select this date cell, plus I want to add 8 days. Just select this cell, enter. Here if you can observe, the 8 days got added to this date. After 13, we got 21 here. That means we got added the 8 days to the state. I want to subtract from the state. Let's see, equals to date minus, I want to subtract, that is, I want to remove the 8 days from the states. Enter. That's what we got 5th of February 2025. Here are some real times dates that we use in a real time in office purposes. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.